This video introduces the ShowHide Face tool. Many of you may be familiar with the ShowHide Entity tools. The ShowHide Face tool is similar but works on individual faces of an entity. The ShowHide Face tool allows the designer to selectively remove faces from the display and selection list of a body. Use this to improve your visualization or selection access to complex bodies. The tool is accessed by right-clicking over a body with multiple faces. Two new options appear for Hide Face and Show All Faces. Picking the Hide Face option will hide the face you're most over. In this example, we remove the canopy surface, preventing us from seeing inside our shape. So let's begin by positioning our cursor over the faces we want to remove. We'll select our face and hide face, and we'll repeatedly go through this process until we can see inside our cockpit. Now that we're done, we can see our geometry inside. Or if we want, we can go ahead and make some changes. Now that we have access to it, let's change some of our control coloring. And we'll change these buttons to a blue. When you're all done with your visualization or selection process, you can return the hidden faces by right-clicking and Show All Faces.